Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left the seas while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains. Was the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of the street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one will disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I do not know, like a cancer growth. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words, like silent raindrops, fall and echo in the wilds of silence. And the people bow pray to the neon gods they made, and the signs flash its warning in the words that it was forming, and the signs of the words of the prophet are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sounds of silence. Simon and Garfunkel.